Here's a fun tip. If you want to bring in all of your sub accounts here, instead of using the custom menu link, there is an option here. If we click new sub account, you'll see import installed from GoHighLevel. You see the little GoHighLevel logo, and it tells us here what we can do is when we click on this, we can click import, which brings all of our sub accounts from GoHighLevel that have the Create Assistance application installed here inside. And now we can do that by either selecting the ones that we want to bring into the workspace. We can select all, or if we leave them unselected, it will default to bring in all of these here, all 15. And if I do that, what that's going to do is that's going to schedule them being created and added. Now, as it goes around, if I do not have any of these in here, it will create them. And if it is an old sub account, what it's going to do is it's going to refresh the OAuth connection on all of the ones that I already have. So be wary of this, that if you have a limit that your sub account deployment would go over. So if I had the 450 plan where I can only have 10 sub accounts and I import installed 15 of mine here, I would be over by 5 and would have to upgrade or archive some of those accounts. So be wary of that. You can also just select, that's what this is for, is you can select and then say, oh, I don't want these 5. There you go, bring in those 10, you'll be fine. There you go. So there's a fun little tip and trick to import installed sub accounts from your GoHighLevel.